What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to do a braided ponytail on a 4C hair. Let's get started. Thing I'm going to do is work on my side part. A side part complements my face, so I always go with a side part. Now when it comes to doing this hairstyle, you go with whatever part complements your facial shape, but I'm going with a side part. Here are my products. I will be listing them down in the description box. So now I'm about to section off my hair. I am going to do 2 sections in the front and then 1 big section in the back. It just makes it easier for me when I am doing a pony. Now I will be using the Outre 1B 46 inches. I wanted to get the same color as my natural hair. Now when it comes to applying my gel, I like to apply it the same way I will apply a relaxer. It just helps me to work that product through. I noticed when you apply product at the base, it'll just, you know, trickle on down to the end, so you don't have to apply that much product. So now we have the back ponytail going. I pretty much just wanted to create my mold, pretty much just slick my hair down in the back, and I'm about to do the same thing on the side that I did in the back. Now when it comes to applying the product, I am going to apply it at the base just like how I did in the back, and I always say apply it like a relaxer. Even though I don't have a relaxer, y'all, I just have applied relaxers in the past on myself and to some of my clients. But as you can see, that 4C hair is popping, girl. But anyway, because I like how you can just work their product through, so that's why I always say apply it at the base. And as you can see, that brush just working that product through. Now you can leave just a little bit of your hair out just so you can be able to do your edges. I'm doing the same thing that I did on the opposite side. It just makes it easier, and you don't have to use that much.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby.
I'm breaking out the BTL Braiding Hair Gel and a little bit of the got2b glue gel just to add to my hair, only because that Eco Styler gel it's not giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, I tried it out, but I'm not a big fan of it. I probably won't buy it tomorrow, and I need my hair to lay down. Now when it comes to doing a braided ponytail on 4C hair, y'all, trust me when I tell y'all, tie your hair up once you get done. You need for it to lay down. Typically our hair texture is pretty frizzy, so look at this girl, like I promise. This is what I wanted to give up, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get this ponytail in. Okay, I'm not gonna do my people like that. I'm going to get this ponytail in. This is my first attempt, and I'm not gonna let this ponytail punk me. But yes, lay your hair down with a scarf. I know a lot of times you see these YouTube tutorials, and after they slick their hair down, then they put on the pony and just leave it like that. Not with our texture. Lay it down with a scarf.
Drop it, make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down, and fuck with me all the way.
Okay, so now it's time to lay the pony. So I just took the braiding hair out. As you can see, I have it pretty much going in a vertical direction. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the rubber band that the hair was attached to and just wrapping it around my pony. So the hair at the top is going to be used to wrap it around my hair, like pretty much cover up the rubber band, and then everything else will be for the braid. Now I am going to add more hair because I want my pony, well, not my pony, but my braid to be thick. I got the pony in, I got the braid in. I'm spreading it out just to make it thick because it looks better when you spread the braid out. But girl, you can't tell me Nathan, okay? I got that braid in, I didn't give up. All right, now let me just be completely honest. These kind of hairstyles look better on with 4C hair. I'll say that with 4C hair, it looks better when you use a texture that complements 4C hair texture. So I will be doing this hairstyle again, but I am going to try a different texture. Now you just saw me pop out the black gel. I know black gel is not the healthiest, however it's old school and it works and it gets the job done. It gives what it's supposed to give. So I did add a little bit just for the finishing touches, and it's working. I'm not like going super crazy with my edges. Y'all, I'm 36 years old. I don't got time to be doing all them curtains. I just wanted to lay down. Just lay it down, okay? But I'm feeling it. Like I said, I am going to tie it up with a scarf and lay it down. It's still kind of frizzy, but hey, that's the best. That's the best that I can do. And yeah, so I'm gonna tie it up really quick and then add just a little glue to the end of the braid, and then I'm also going to dip it, and then I'll be right back.